STATA software has interfaces. You have this left-hand side interface, which can also be known as the command window. This is where all your commands will be displayed. We have this middle position known as the display window. This is where the output for every command you run will be displayed. You then have this downer section, which has the word command. This downer section, this is where you always write your codes or your command in case you're performing the analysis. On the right hand side, you have the variable window. This is where if you load your data set, you will be able to see all those variables on this right hand side. We then have the property window. This window will be showing the details or the properties of a given variable. So a moment you tap on a given variable, you'll be able to see the properties in here. Things like the variable label, the variable name, the data type or data structure. Is it a string? Is it a float or integer? You'll be able to see it from here. There are also other windows within here. For example, if you come on this upper section, there is this one, data editor, edit. If you click there, it takes you to a worksheet that gives you the ability to edit. You can be able to input here variables. You can be able to input here dataset. That is the edit mode. And everything you do will always be displayed in your display window here. And every command that you have run or every changes you have made, they will always be executed as command. You can see on the left hand side, they are all available in here. And because we have right now created some random items, it has created us some variables on the right hand side. And when I click on that variable 1 and you look under the property window, it's telling us here that the name is variable 1, it has no label, but the data type is a float. Then the storage type is this. Now you can also do what you call the browse feature. You can only be able to visualize data set in here without making changes. So when I come here under data editor into bracket browse, if you click on it, it will take you to your spreadsheet. But in this spreadsheet you cannot edit anything if you try to type. The reason being, you open this in a browse status, not in an edit mode, so you cannot make any change here.